In this very quick video guide, I want to show you a simple tool really quickly, really easily, and easy to use. And it's on Google, so all you need is have a browser and then get into Google and go to the search page, which is like the main page of Google. So it's really easy to find. But anyway, this is the page. And when we are in Google, we can search using information. So perhaps we have some text, some words, some keywords, and we can look using words. But and also using our voice, so we can do a vocal search. But then we have also this little icon right here, which is for the search by image tool. And I think this is really useful, especially if you're doing a project and you have nothing but an image or an illustration or something that is not actual text, and you want to know more, you want to find out more about that. So you can click here and you have two options. You can either upload a file, which could be also a photo that you've taken with your smartphone and you have in your computer, or you can copy and paste the entire URL of a particular image that you find on the web. But I think it's more useful when you do things like upload your file, which by the way could be your sketch, could be your idea, and you may want to find out if there are like similar things in order not to do exactly the same thing. So once you click on upload, you can go and navigate in your folders, and I want to try with my logo. I want to upload my logo and see if there are some similar logos, or if there is something similar at all. Again, it could be some vector graphics like this, or can be a sketch or whatever. So I uploaded this and it's showing me that this is from YouTube. Yes, it's from my channel, but also I have like similar logos all around the web, which are not entirely similar. They, in a way, they remind, but there is nothing so specific. So let's say no one is using my logo in a way, but I can also find, some other ideas and references. Supposing this was just an idea, a first hypothesis, a first version, I can, look for sources. And also, if there are text in my image, I can isolate the text, I can select the text, I can translate, etc., etc. So it's a really interesting and useful tool. Now I want to upload something else just to show you other options. So for example, if you using a sketch, or if you're using another type of graphic which is not like a picture or a defined photo or a defined illustration, and you want to see if there are things that look similar. So this is an illustration here, and it's showing me the direct source, but also I can see similar sources and vector graphics in this case, or drawings that look similar, or art for sale and wherever. So I can proceed then my search using this initial reference. And let me upload a photo now that I have in my folders here. So this is my photo that I have taken personally. And let's say I don't remember what this is, or I don't know, and I want to know more about something that it's in my photo. If I click, it's going to be recognized instantly by the search engine, and then it's telling me that this is a temple in Italy, etc., etc. So if I want to know more, I can continue with my research, and that's it. So I think that's a really interesting, important tool for studying, exams, whatever. So this will be all for this video. Please subscribe and stay updated. Please join if you want to support us. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.